Hello friends, it's Dr. Malay Das from The Health is Wealth. You are in the right place. If you want to lose your weight, then you must know how to calculate the calories. Press the subscribe button, like and share. You will be notified as soon as the next video is uploaded. Friends, before discussing the calories count, I would like to tell you that there is no calories in water, vitamin, minerals and fibers. Then where's the calories are present? Calories are only present in the carbohydrate, proteins and fats. Now where's the carbohydrate? Carbohydrate are present in the chapatis, rice, bread, fruits and vegetables, where 1 gram of the carbohydrate will provide 4 calories. So proteins are present in all the type of the pulses, where 1 gram of the protein will provide 4 calories, and oils and fat will provide 9 calories. So simply you have to remember the formula 449. If you really wants to lose your weight, then you have to follow the two things. First one is avoid all the food from the animal sources, and second one is make a habit of consuming 1000 calories per day. So let's talk about the food categories according to the calories, so that we have the food from the 0 calories, 20 calories, 50 calories, 100 calories, 500 calories and 1000 calories. Friends, if you want to really lose your weight, then you must follow these things. First we see the food which provide the 0 calories. So here it comes the water. Water has no calories, so drink the water as much as you can, but be cautious. If you are suffering from any kidney diseases, then you have to restrict it within 500 ml to 800 ml, or better you should consult with a nephrologist. Next we have the food which provides the 20 calories. Here all the vegetables will provide you 20 calories per 100 grams of the consumptions. Whether it is cooked or uncooked, without oil will provide you the 20 calories per 100 grams of the servings. So for examples, if you are consuming a tomato weighing about 100 grams, if you see its composition, 90% it contains water, that means 0 calories, and remaining the 10%, half it contains the fibers, and remaining half, that is 5 gram, it contains the carbohydrate. So we know that 1 gram of the carbohydrate is equal to 4 calories. So 5 gram of the carbohydrate will provide 5 into 4, 20 calories. That means if you eat the full size of a tomato weighing about 100 grams, you will be getting 20 calories. Now we see the food which provide 50 calories. Here comes all the fruits groups of the vegetables, whatever may be the names, will provide you 50 calories per 100 grams of the consumption. Say for an examples, you are consuming a single piece of an apple weighing about the 100 grams. So after removing the water and the fiber content will provide you the 50 calories. So now we see the food which provide the 100 calories. First it comes the chapatis. Suppose the weight of a chapatis is 35 grams, where 10 grams of the water is there. So after removing the water, it gives the 25 grams. So 25 into 4 is equal to the 100 calories. That means if you eat a single piece of the chapati, you will be getting 100 calories. If you are eating a double slices, double pieces, double 2 pieces of a bread weighing about 35 grams, or a single big piece of a bread weighing of 35 grams will produce the 100 calories. If you are consuming 4 pieces of the Marie biscuit, will also provide the 100 calories. If you eat 100 grams of the cooked rice, you will be getting 100 calories. And if you are also eating the 100 grams of the pulses, so called the dull, the dense one, you will be getting 100 calories. So we have seen the food from 100 calories, 50 calories, 20 calories and 0 calories, but there are certain exceptions are there. So the potato, which is called the king of the vegetables, will provide you the 100 calories per 100 grams of consumption, and certain fruits are there. Say for example, the mango, the banana, grapes, they will provide you 100 calories per 100 grams of the consumption. Still we are having two categories of the calories remaining in our hand. One is the 500 calories, another one is 1000 calories. So we see the food which provides the 500 calories. So here it comes all the sweet items, whatever may be the names, rasgulla, gulab jamun or the sandesh, will provide you 500 calories per 100 grams of consumption. Say for example, if you are eating 2 pieces of the rasgulla, will provide you 500 calories. Next, all the fried items, maybe the or fried salty items, especially maybe the chips, kurkure, namkeen, chanachur, bhujiyas, or whatever may be the names, will provide you 500 calories per 100 grams of the consumptions. And lastly, we have the oils and fats. So all types of the oils, whatever may be, it may be the refined or unrefined, will provide you the 900 calories per 100 grams of the consumption. That means 1000 calories. So we have seen that all the oils and fats 1000 calories, all the fried items and sweet items will provide 500 calories, all the the cereals, the pulses will produce the 100 calories, and all the fruits will provide 50 calories, and all the vegetables 20 calories, and lastly water 0 calories. Now you might be understand, if you have to lose your weight, you must be understand this concept. So some of the patient or one of my patients said that, doctors, it's very easy. I said, what? She said that now if I want to lose my weight, I will eat more fruits and vegetables, more salad, and more water, so that my stomach will be filled and I will get less calories and I will lose my weight. She said that before taking the lunch, she would have full plate of the salad, fruits and vegetables, and she will generally lose her weight. And next, some of the patients said, doctors, how I could gain my weight? I would suggest just eat 6 chapatis in the morning, 6 in the afternoon, and 6 in the evening. You will be getting 1800 calories. Now you just close your eyes and feed into your eyes or inside your mind that you have the water 0 calories and vegetables 20 calories and the fruits 50 calories. These things you have to keep into your mind so that you can lose your weight. Some of the patients also said that, doctors, I cannot live without like rice. I said earlier you just used to have the rice with vegetables. Now you just eat more vegetables with few teaspoons of the rice. So now it's very simple. If you want to lose your weight, mind you that you have to make a habit of consuming 1000 calories, and you have to remember this concept. So thank you very much.